what's up you guys? It's J Bunny and welcome back to my channel. Today we're bringing you another installment of my nail series on how to do blinged out, fabulous, lit, long press-on nails, and today I am so excited for the set that you are about to learn how to do. It is a hot summer look that you are definitely going to want to recreate, and it is this fabulous Icey firecracker pop rocket pop inspired set. It's red, white, and blue. This is my inspiration for these nails. I have contrasting hands, one majority in the red, one with the blue, and of course featuring icy pop nails on the forefinger and on the pinky nails. And guess what? They even glow in the dark, which is an added bonus. I am super excited to bring you this fabulous nail tutorial. I think they turned out absolutely awesome. I blinged out the solid color nails on both hands with matching crystals so that it flows hand to hand. And then I did a matte frosted look on the forefinger and on the pinky to represent that yummy ice pop that we all love to enjoy during these summer months. So yeah, you guys, before we get into the rest of the video, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe. So yeah, you guys, let's jump into the rest of this video. You're gonna start with the shish kebab color or any bright blue color of your choice that you have at home, and you're gonna put it on the thumbnail, the middle nail, and the ring finger of one hand. You're going to be having contrasting hands, one hand blue and one hand red. So after you do those first three nails, you're going to also take the same blue color and do a top tier to your rocket pop nails, which is on your index finger and your nail finger, and leave the rest of the nail blank until later. Now we're going to go in on the red color. This one I chose is called Marzipan, and it is so pretty. You're going to put this on the thumb, the middle finger, and the ring finger of the opposite hand that you haven't already painted yet. Like I said, one hand is going to be blue and one hand is going to be red. Now we're going to go back in with the blue color, shish kebab, and once again do the top tier of the index finger and the pinky finger. These are our popsicle fingers, and they're going to be three different colors, so make sure you only do the top of the nail. Now, of course, go back in and do a second coat of everything that you already just painted. Sometimes I even go in with a third coat. It just depends. And here's what you should have so far. The next thing we're going to go in is the white. This one is called Masala Dosa. And this is going to go on the middle of each of the striped fingernails that are going to be your popsicle nails. So just go ahead, and I find it easier to paint left to right than up and down on these since you're trying to do the horizontal stripe. And yeah, take it slow and try and be as neat as possible. Do a second coat of this as well. Now we're going to go back in with the Marzipan red color, and this is going to go on the tip of each of the popsicle nails. So once again, the index fingers and both of the pinkies. I paint this on left to right as well. It's just easier than doing vertical because you have a really nice even line across the nail. And now you can see the popsicle part of the nail set really coming to life. So go ahead and do a second coat of the red. And this is what you should have so far. Oh my God, it looks so cute. And now it's time for the top coats to really set this nail set off. For the solid color nails, we're going to be using a glossy, shiny finish. So go ahead and take any clear nail polish that you have at home that's shiny and apply it to the thumb, the middle, and the ring fingers of both hands, all of the solid colors. Then for the icy fingers, that's the forefinger, the pinky finger, on both hands, we really want it to be a frosty look. And I'm going to do this two ways. First, I'm going to go in with a matte nail polish from Sally Hansen, but that didn't quite give me enough of the frosted look that I want. So next, I'm going to go in with this glow in the dark nail polish and apply it over the matte nail polish once it dried. The glow in the dark, yeah, I'm not really going for the glow in the dark look, but it really gives it that frosted ice popsicle look, and you're going to love it once it dries. So the final step is to adhere the crystals to really bling our nails out for this hot summer nail look. I'm choosing this elongated crystal, and I'm going to put one at the base of each of the solid color nails, just putting on a strip of the glue and then taking my tweezers to gently place the crystal right on top. And yeah, you guys, this is it. This is one hand, the blue hand, and on the other hand, we're going to have the red nail polish. They are looking so freaking cute. I cannot wait to rock these to begin my hot summer off. I mean, Memorial Day just passed. July 4th is around the corner, and these are going to be absolutely perfect. So that's it, you guys, on the tutorial on these Firecracker Rocket Pop inspired nails that are going to be so icy and fabulous for the summertime. Thanks so much for dropping by. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that other good stuff. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.